Hello there. Usually in the first part of a video I show you how to connect your last square to your already connected squares. But this time I want to discuss the last square we created. As you may have noticed that there is a color difference between the faceted bead and the seed bead. The reason for this is because we have a snowman in a snowstorm, and with the seed beads you have many more options as far as white goes, so that you can use two whites that look enough different from each other that you can still see the snowman. Where with the faceted beads there's only one transparent white, so I usually choose a blue to represent the white in this case. Now the light turquoise is a little darker than I remember it, so if you want, you can also try the light blue, which you might find to be a better option. For this piece I'm going to continue with the light turquoise, but I wanted to mention that the light blue is an option if you find that the turquoise is a bit dark. But if you're using another type of bead, I recommend that you find two whites that are different enough that you can easily see the difference. For example, here I have a more opaque shiny white with a transparent matted white, and at least in real life, I'm not sure how well it shows in the video, they stand out from each other very well. So I just wanted to mention that about the color difference so that you would know why it is. In the next video we will begin connecting these squares to our piece, and I hope that you are enjoying the project.